I understand the challenge of burning belly fat while managing a busy life. I survived the cycle of ineffective workouts and spent countless hours searching for a routine that truly worked. I saved myself from more failed attempts by sticking to this 15-minute daily routine, and here's how it transformed my journey, my daily routine. Warm up with jumping jacks to minutes. Start by getting your heart rate up and your body ready to move. Burpees 1 min. Drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, and jump up. This full body exercise ramps up your metabolism and burns calories fast. High knees 1 min. Run in place with high knees to engage your core and get your heart pumping. Bicycle crunches 1 min. Lie on your back, alternating bringing your elbows to your opposite knee to target those stubborn abs. Plank 1 min. Hold a plank to build core strength and improve overall stability. Challenges and results. I faced days where it was tough to stay motivated, but I built discipline by committing to this routine. I got fantastic results. My belly fat decreased, my core strength improved, and I felt more confident and energized. Motivational tip: consistency is key. Track your progress, celebrate small victories, and remember that every day brings you closer to your goals. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues? Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. Looking to boost your fitness? The Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Try this routine and experience the transformation yourself one day at a time.